All right, let's start with IELTS speaking part 2. Describe a person you know who is from a different culture. Different culture means different culture within your country or different culture outside your country. It depends. Please start.
Actually, I don't know more about different cultures because I haven't visited different countries much. But today I will tell you about a Japanese person whom I met few days before. My cousin married a Japanese girl. And she was I was very curious to know about her. She came to Pakistan with a very different in a very different way, that she was following all the Pakistani culture and customs, and I was quite surprised to know how she came to know about all things. That was all. He just She just gathered it all from my cousin, and I also want to know how she is tackling everything. I was also curious to know about the Japanese culture. So one day I got an opportunity to learn some new things which were present in Japanese culture, but we as a common man are not aware about it. Firstly, I came to know about their punctuality. Whenever we have to visit somewhere, she prepare herself on time, and is every time she is available there before time. That inspired me a lot. Not only this.
Okay, this is fantastic. Overall, you really spoke well, so keep it up like this. Just try to add some variety of words as you speak and try to use some connecting phrases like furthermore and all that stuff, right? But overall, it's fine. You spoke for 1.5 minutes, which is quite ideal for speaking part 2. Now, we move on to speaking part 3. Where and how can we get to know people of different cultures?
Nowadays, social media has provided a very vast scope to learn about different cultures. Whether it's Facebook or Instagram, everybody is available there. And if you don't want to know about them through internet, there is other sources available like novels and books. Even movies of different cultures are available, which we can watch and know about their culture.
All right, so there is other sources, so it should be there
Are
or
other
other sources.
sources.
Minor mistakes like that, but overall it's fine. Keep it up like this, okay? Good job.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.